Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. As by the topic you got to know what I'm gonna show you all today. So yeah, hope you will enjoy watching this video.
That you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will
The
be
most
there.
difficult aspect of life is to say goodbye to someone. We, the family of Sorings in the secondary school Soring, have kept our emotions aside of missing you and made sure this farewell party is one day that you will never forget in your life. This farewell will be an emotional roller coaster for you, which includes cherishing of your memories, happiness, sadness, and the unhappiness of leaving your friends, students, and this beautiful campus. We have come up with some creative surprises for you all, so please sit back and enjoy your day. Although this is not what we had planned, an invisible enemy like coronavirus has made us say goodbye to you even in these difficult times. So yeah, hope you will enjoy.
That you were made to change the world, so don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Oh, I know the brightest star above was created by the one who loved more than we'll ever know, to guide you when you're lost. What started as a still small voice is raging now, and your only choice is to follow who you are. I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
हेलो आजको हाम्रो हेलो सर्वप्रथम यस समारोहमा हाम्रो निमन्त्रणालाई सहर्ष स्वीकार गरी आफ्नो बहुमूल्य उपस्थित दिनुहुने सम्पूर्ण अतिथिगणलाई म सविनय प्रार्थना गर्दछु।
Should you stay or turn around?
र यसरी नै कार्यक्रमको अघिल्लो चरणमा
They are a problem.
आजका प्रमुख अतिथिगणलाई स्वागतको निम्ति खदा अर्पण गरिदिन हुन भने म यस स्कुलका प्राचार्य महोदयलाई अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु।
It's not goodbye. I know we'll meet again.
आदरणीय सर एसजी नन्दिज्यू,
It's just I love you.
यसरी नै सुश्री सिके प्रधानज्यू, र यसरी नै रुचि श्रीमती सुधा मोक्तानज्यू, तपाईँहरू सबैको धन्यवाद। प्रति म हार्दिक अभिवादन टक्राउँदछु र भन्नलाई आज विदाई समारोह हो, तर त्यो साँच्चैमा विदाई नभएर हृदयमा सधैँ ताजा भइरहने स्मरण समारोह हो। यसैले कार्यक्रम गर्नुको उद्देश्य विदा भन्नलाई नभएर फेरि भेटौँ अथवा सम्झनामा सधैँ रहिरहँ भन्ने हो। आज हामी केही दुखी पनि छौँ, भावुक पनि। मलाई यहाँबाट यसो भन्नमा खल्लो लागिरहेको छ कि आज शिक्षाको क्षेत्रमा आफ्नो बहुमूल्य तथा निस्वार्थ सेवा पुर्याउनु हुने आदरणीय शिक्षक श्री एसडी नन्दीज्यू, आदरणीय शिक्षिका सुधा मोक्तानज्यू, आदरणीय शिक्षिका सिके प्रधानज्यू, यहाँहरूले आफ्नो सम्पूर्ण श्रम शिक्षाका गुणस्तरमा वृद्धि ल्याउनका निम्ति खर्चनुहुने अति आदरणीय शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण आफ्नो सेवाबाट निवृत्त हुन गइरहेका छन्। उहाँहरूले आफ्नो जीवनलाई सधैँ समाज र शिक्षाको उत्तरोत्तर प्रगतिका निम्ति समर्पित गर्नुभयो। भनिन्छ नि, शिक्षा बिनाको समाज एउटा पानी नभएको भूमि जस्तै हो, जहाँ खानको लागि केही पनि हुँदैन र जीवन निर्वाह गर्नुको निम्ति पनि त्यहाँ केही हुँदैन। र आज हामी भित्र कतैबाट दुखी रहेका छौँ कि आजदेखि उता हामीमा यस्ता हुनहार शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरू हामीबाट टाढो जानुहुँदैछ। तर हाम्रो छातीमा यस समय गर्वबोध भइरहेको छ कि हाम्रा अति आदरणीय शिक्षक शिक्षिका सधैँलाई हाम्रा निम्ति प्रेरणाको स्रोत बनिदिनु भएको छ। आज औपचारिक रूपमा सर म्याडमहरूलाई कृतज्ञता प्रकट गर्नु तथा सम्मानपूर्वक बिदा दिनु मात्र यस कार्यक्रमको उद्देश्य रहेको छैन, तर हामी यहाँहरूले देखाउनु भएको बाटोलाई अनुसरण गरेर शैक्षिक क्षेत्रमा निष्ठापूर्वक लागि पर्ने साथै सामाजिक उत्थान र प्रगतिको निम्ति सधैँ अघि बढ्ने भन्ने प्रण गर्नका निम्ति आजको यो कार्यक्रम भइरहेको छ। र तपाईहरूलाई हामीहरू अघिबाट नै क्षमा प्रार्थी छौँ, किनभने यो कार्यक्रम धेरै अघि गर्नु थियो, तर के कारणवश हामीले यो कार्यक्रमलाई अगाडि गर्न सकेनौँ। यो वैश्विक महामारीको कारणले गर्दाखेरि र यो कार्यक्रमलाई एउटा भव्यको साथमा गर्ने जमर्को कसेका थियौँ सबै विद्यार्थीहरूसँग रहेर, र यो एउटा सठिक समय कुन आउँछ होला भनेर हामीले पर्खिरहेका थियौँ। तर त्यो सठिक समय परिस्थितिलाई हामीलाई त्यो परिस्थिति भएन र हामी सबै सम्पूर्ण पाठशाला परिवार नै तपाईँहरूलाई खेद प्रकट गर्दछौँ। र यति भन्दै कार्यक्रमलाई ढिलाइ नगरिकन कार्यक्रमको अघिल्लो चरणमा भने म दीप प्रज्वलनको निम्ति आजका प्रमुख अतिथिगण र प्राचार्य महोदयलाई अगाडि आएर दीप प्रज्वलनको निम्ति अगाडि आइदिने अनुरोध गर्दछु। धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद मैम।
Excellent teacher is to stimulate apparently ordinary people with relentless effort. The tough problem is not in identifying winners, it is in making winner out of ordinary people. So we believe that all of you in your entire career have nurtured, catered, and made our generation successful. Your wisdom, vision, knowledge, turning this world into a place of hope and peace are of great importance to our generations, and we promise that we will continue to follow your footsteps to greatness. We wish you a very happy retirement life with good days ahead, and may you continue to serve the society in the year ahead. Once again, on behalf of entire school family, we welcome you on this farewell program. Thank you. Have a good day.
धन्यवाद रोशन सर आफ्नो स्पीच
Madam Shubha, and Madam, I had a telephonic talk. I had a telephonic talk with Madam Shubha, BK sir's wife, and she told me that sir is not keeping very well, and she has been to Kalimpong, and his mother is also ailing, and he may not be able to leave her ailing mother. So I told her that, okay madam, whatever it may be, you please convey our invitation and you please hand over our invitation later to sir. And she readily accepted, and she told me that definitely she would talk to sir and she would hand over that invitation, and that she had done also. But maybe because of some other problems and his own health issues, BK sir could not make it on the spot today.
अर्को कुरा विशेष गरी नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ म के भन्न चाहन्छु भनेदेखिलाई कुनै पनि जति भए पनि सुनिराख, जति काम छ जे छ भोलि गर्छु, भोलि पढ्छु यदि तिमीहरू सफलता हासिल गर्ने हो भने आजको काम आजै निप्टाऊ, होइन भने बरु भोलिको काम पनि आजै निप्टाऊ। त्यसरी गर्यो भने मात्रै तिमीहरू सफलता हासिल गर्न सक्छौ। यस क्रममा म एउटा घटना
all retired teachers, MLDL sir also, and all pass out students and my dear students. First of all, I would like to give thanks to Government of Sikkim, Department of Education at that time for selecting me as a legitimate of this institution. Because
सुस्वस्थ दीर्घायु र आउने दसैँ अनि दीपावलीको शुभकामना दिँदै हजुरबाट म बिदा लिन्छु।